Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tilt basket end cap in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new tilt basket end cap. This is the right side tilt basket end cap. It's mounted on the side of the tilt basket that is located only inside of the freezer door. It supports the right side of the basket, allowing it to move back and forth. The main reason to replace the tilt basket end cap is if it's broken and won't stay in place or keep the basket in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. We're going to slide it out and then tilt it forward. I'm going to use this putty knife to remove the end cap. Press it slightly to increase this gap, and I'm going to put it in there and pry it out. And now I'm going to tilt it and remove it from this pin. This is the old tilt basket end cap next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install this end cap, and it goes in this way. This little pin goes into this opening here, but before I wanted to show you what we're facing here. So we've got this gorge here, and this one, and this one. Also, we've got cutouts. So this one is the bottom that goes over this one. This little rectangular cutout is going over this one, and right there we've got channel that goes over this one. So we need to start with putting this into the opening, into this hole, and then I'm going to match the bottom one, slide it on, and we need to force it on like this. And now I'm going to check if it's in reality it is a tilt basket, and I tilt it. It works, so we did a good job. So now I'm going to put the door upright and slide it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.